Hello, everyone. Hope all of you are doing great and managing well with your VKH. So, today we are going to talk about VKH and passive exercise. All right, so let's understand what is passive exercise. So, now you are already diagnosed with the VKH and you already started the steroid medication. You would have come to know that there are some side effects, and one of it is weaker bones, for which you are also consuming calcium supplements, isn't it? So, steroids medication actually causes calcium erosion from your bones, and this makes you weaker. And some of you are already facing difficulty in movements as well. So, another thing is that you have put on weight, you have swelling on your cheeks, you have swelling on your joints. Some of you might have swelling on your calf and also on your biceps, right? So, all these side effects are, guys, very normal. This will happen, but eventually, once you stop your medication, this will go away. So, this is only a temporary change. But again, so this process is a lengthy process, isn't it? The treatment is obviously lengthy. So some of you might take 2 years to get cured, some of you might take 4 years to get cured, or maybe longer than that. So it's a game of patience, in fact, isn't it? So the thing is, how do we manage ourselves during this time? Most of you want to exercise, but you have weaker bones, you have brittle bones, and also chances are there you will have some kind of fractures as well, right? So these are a couple of severe side effects of consuming steroid for a longer time. So have you ever wondered what are the solutions or what are the options available for you? Don't worry, there are some help available for you. So, the solution is that you have to engage in passive exercise. So, you should not get into rigorous exercise, rigorous working routine just because you're putting on weight. This could harm you because you're having certain side effects in terms of your bones and your joints, all of them are weak. So, putting them under pressure is not a good idea. So, let's understand what is a passive exercise. So, passive exercise is movement of your body without the effort of the patient, or without your effort. Your body goes through certain movement, and because of that, you lose weight. Isn't it very interesting? The same time, I think it's very confusing as well. So, let me make it simple for you. Okay. So, in passive exercise, you will not move your body, but certain external factors will help you and you will reduce your weight. Out of which, the most effective one is Udvartana. So, some of you might not be not very familiar with Udvartana. Udvartana is an Ayurvedic massage process. So, it's a very soothing or invigorating full body massage done in a rhythmic motion. So you have to consult with an Ayurvedic doctor. But again, guys, I warn you, do not consume any Ayurvedic medication. This is only an external factor, right? This is only an external procedure which you're doing to reduce your weight. So a therapist is supposed to do this, right? A person who is well aware about doing the rhythmic motion of massage with the herbal powder or paste um, is actually the process of doing Udvartana. It also followed with a steam bath, right? You see, as you see in the picture, this person is taking massage with powder. So these are medicated powder. This process is very common in South India. This is even available in most of the uh, Ayurvedic hospitals and Ayurvedic massage parlors. You get the service of Udvartana. So I would say, please go ahead and take advantage of this process and get benefited This will help you in two ways. This will help you calm down. This will relax you at the same time. It will help you lose weight. So it's a process of, it's not a one time activity. You might have to take couple of sessions to see the results. So I would say in a month, go for 4 sessions after consulting with your Ayurvedic doctor. This will definitely help you during your VKH journey. Okay, so the next one is obviously the breathing exercises. You can take and practice. I must say, a VKH patient must practice breathing exercises regularly. As soon as you wake up, sit in your bed or sit on your couch comfortably and practice all this breathing exercises. One of the most effective breathing exercise is Ujjayi Pranayama. This sounds like the breathing sounds like the sound of an ocean, right? It's also called as the ocean kind of breathing. So this will really relax you and keep you focused and help you reduce weight. Another most effective method of breathing exercise in losing weight is Kapal Bharti. This is otherwise also called as skull shining breath. And this, you constantly exhale, right? You do a slow inhalation and you do continuous quick exhalation forcefully. So this method is proven to be helping you with weight loss. Another method is Anlom Vilom. In Anlom Vilom, you breathe from your left nostril and release it through the right. At the same time, again take, breathe in from your right and release the air through your left nostril. So alternative nose breathing. This is also very good for relaxation, as well as weight loss. Another one, which is my favorite, is Brahmari Pranayama. This also cures VKH. This has a wonderful effects in curing your VKH. So this create the noise of a bee or a hummingbird, right? Which is very effective in curing your VKH as well. So in this, you close your ears and you close your eyes and you take sound mm, like a bee. You make noise like a bee and it creates a lot of vibration in your head, and the vibration causes blood flow. And you all know that the if you get enough blood flow to a wound or a damage to your tissue, it repairs itself. So VKH patients must practice Brahmari. You can also watch certain YouTube videos. There are a lot of videos available there in YouTube which will help you with mastering all these breathing exercises. This is free of cost, just that you need to be a bit disciplined in your daily life and practice this. Definitely you will lose weight. At the same time, you will be curing your VKH. Very nice. So another option what you have is slimming center services, right? In India, there are several slimming center options for you. Popular ones are like VLCC, Vibes, Health Sanctuary, and they are countless. But this is the time when you can actually take help from a slimming center, because you cannot do vigorous body movement, and you cannot do heavy workout in gym. At the same time, even running or walking fast can land you in trouble. So you can easily take these services. Obviously, these are a bit on the higher side when it comes to cost, but it is pretty helpful and effective. VLCC has some programs like spot reduction. In VKH, you would have already noticed that certain part of your body, be it your biceps or maybe around your cheeks, are just um, are the places where you're exactly putting on weight. So you can target those areas and get your weight reduced. When it comes to VLCC, they have some program like a miracle body shaping treatment. um, I personally have also tried this VLCC, and I was benefited during my treatment. I was wrapped around a hot sheet kind of thing, which is obviously a technical method which they use, and you'll be asked to sleep on a bed, and after 1 hour when you wake up, you will be losing some amount of some grams of your weight. And this is again a recurring process which we have to do to see better results. Okay. Another one is there are also several other um, you know, slimming centers. Find out which one suits you better, or also please make sure of the hygiene, because it's COVID time, and you know, getting infected with COVID is the last thing which we want while we recovering from VKH. So please be mindful, and please be no, choose your place wisely. And last but not the least, at least some of you would have already faced some severe injury or severe, uh, you know, movement issues, or even some of you might have, you know, faced fracture of your bones because of excessive consumption of steroid. And this steroid treatment will go for certain years, so some of you already face this kind of issue. So it's wise that you take help from a physiotherapist. So he also help you without you moving your body. He'll help you with certain techniques and methods, will definitely help you lose some weight. At the same time, you also cure your injury or fracture. So consider all these options and keep a good diet. You can also watch out my other video where I have talked about diet, um, for VKH patients. So stay healthy and stay calm. Uh, you know, it's very easy to put on weight because of various reasons, you know, because many of the time we put on weight when you have certain disease. So be aware and do all these tips and tricks which I said you, whichever suits you, right? Breathing exercise, there is no cost in fact, but it's very effective. But you need to be self disciplined. If you're a self disciplined person, please go for breathing exercises and mild yoga during your VKH treatment. Definitely it's going to help you in long term. At the same time, if you think that, you know, you're not that disciplined, okay, I can pay some money and then get the help from the slimming centers, then you can opt for those as well, right? Udvartanam is also, yes, cost is associated with it, but it is not very costly. So you can take some Ayurvedic medicine. So, guys, at the same time, um, please do not consume any Ayurvedic medicine or any other homeopathic medicine when you are taking your VKH medication. Please stick to what is your ophthalmologist has given you. So, yeah, take care, and I hope you lose weight during your VKH treatment. Thank you so much. Talk to you in another video. See ya. Bye.